And before I begin, I just want to say thank you sa who sent this to me. This one. Portable flashlight. Nice. Like me to unbox this, or maybe one day I'll unbox it. Let me know in comment.
Ano yung mga snacks. Para maalala ko na nauubusan na rin ng isa eh. Okay, game!
And here are my pantries that I decided. I got inspired with the one that marami siyang mga chichirya doon. Okay? So, ito ang akin. So, let me show you one by one. Ito. Bago ko malimutan. This one. I got it for 7-Eleven and actually 2 flavor siya. Meron chocolate, ano to? Cocoa chia, and isa is parang something berry na yogurt. And this one also, this is nice. Meron siyang nutritional facts. Ito for my emergency, pag kailangan, or magandang reminder na rin habang tumitingin. Ito, for pag kailangan din yan. This one, di ko pa na-try, pero alam ko maganda to pag mataas ang BP mo. And depende if baka hindi pwede sa mga nagtitake ng meds. Ito, snacking lang to. Ito, sugar-free. This one. And Pocari for emergency. This one also. This is also good. Wait. And psyllium fiber. A capsule. Yan ang meron. And, of course, barley na from Lavish. I made a vlog on this one. Do check it out. You can find it online. Share ko na rin on description box where you can find it. And this one is also nice. Kano brand. You can find. Yep. And ito, may nagbigay na to. Thank you. May isa pa pala ako. Gandang review rin pala habang ng vlog. Naalala mo yung gamit mo. Yan. Turmeric. Minsan nahalo ko sa drinks ko. And ito. Sunflower seed. Minsan-minsan. Maganda din yan. Ito, for emergency. Pag in the middle of the night. Or hindi naman. Pag sobrang gutom, wala na choice. Yan na. Ito, when I need it, yung green tea leaf, minsan-minsan. And then oats, na may walnut. What else? Oh, and this one. You can find this, I think, in online. Or sa Landers, I remember. Yeah, thank you sa help nito. Landers, I got it. Probiotic siya na maraming berries. Ito, kay Pakwa na syrup pang sa lumunan pag kailangan. And also kay Pakwa candy. Yan. May silang value pack na minsan. Sa Mercury. You find this at Mercury. This is at Landers. Not sponsored. And so far yan. And may nagbigay ng kombucha na to. So, if also choose, baka may gusto kayong alin ditong gusto kong yung i-review, if you like me to review any of it, any of the what I shared, let me know para doon na lang tayo mag-focus. Yun. Yan. Comment kayo. This is kombucha. I haven't tried it yet. Sa Korea to eh. Korea. May share. And this one, ito ang order ko. Actually, I ordered sour cream. Ayun, yun pala, tama pala eh. Sour cream. Kala ko mali ang binigay sa online. Ito, I got it sa TikTok. Yan. A bit pricey. Kaya ngayon lang muna akong kakain. Yan. Not now. So, choose what you like me to vlog na taste and testing. And I give you my review. Yan. So, inspire ako dun sa isa na gumawa. Pero sa kanya, puro chichirya. Yan. And before I forget, this one also pala. When I need to take collagen sa tuhod, masakit. Nako, it's such a helpful sa tuhod. And this one, ito may bigay ni Mamshi. And then, thank you for this one, Mamshi. And then this one, ito sa healthy option. Sa mga nagwo-wonder lang where I saan mahahanap. So, maganda daw to sa, lalo na cholesterol. So, yan, inad ko lang to. Just adding it up para sa vlog natin. Yes! Thanks for watching. That's about it for this video. Let me know kung any of this that might you got interested, how you want me to taste and test and review. Let me know on the vlog. Comment section below. Yes, thank you. Bye. So that's about it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. And signing out, the Shanti vlog here. More vlogs to come. Thanks for subscribing. Till next one. Bye.